really ironic that you have an alley right by the store.
Yeah, Learner's Alley, that's right.
So.
Hey guys, Eric here coming at you with another episode of Alley Babble, and today I have Cole from Nathan with me. Say hello, Cole.
Hey everybody, thank you Eric for having me.
Yeah, absolutely. You want to tell everyone what we're equipped with here?
Today we're rocking the Switchblade 24 because 20 ounces ain't enough. You got 2 bottles, you got this non-slip grip on here, nice pouch for all your gels and goodies. Yeah, it's a sweet belt.
Perfect. So, today Cole and I are going to be competing in the Switchblade Showdown. You ready for this? Do you feel skilled in your product?
I'm as skilled as it comes, my man.
All right. So, round 1 is going to test accuracy. All right, up first, from 2 paces away.
1, 2.
That's a miss. Miss. Up next, 4 paces.
Ready?
Yeah. Miss.
I need to switch.
All right, lastly, from 6 paces.
We're gonna try it this way.
It's a miss. It's a big goose egg for you. All right, up first. My turn from 2 paces. 1, 2. You ready, Cole?
Bring it. Delicious.
All right, 4 paces. You ready?
Uh-oh.
I got it. That counts, right?
Maybe.
All right, from 6 paces. Here we go. Hand ready? All right.
Hand is ready.
6 paces. First point of the match here. Go! Oh, that hit. That hit. That's 0 points for both of us that round. So we're tied.
At least I'm staying hydrated out
Right.
here.
All right. So round 2 is going to test quickness. We're going to see. Wow. All right, Cole. So for round 2, we have an impartial referee here. And Andrew, sorry I don't have a hat for you.
It's alright.
So at Andrew's call, he's going to say draw. Quickest one to draw their bottle and get their opponent wins. We're going to do best of 3. Ready?
Alright, fellas, you ready? Do it.
Draw! Woo!
Split set.
All right, 1 to 3, here we go. Draw! All right, time. Here we go. This is for all the marbles. Draw!
Ah!
Oh! So round 3 is going to test capacity. All right, this is it, Cole. This is for all the marbles. Round 3. Goal here is to be the first one to eat both Big Apple Goos and finish both bottles of water. Are you up for the challenge?
I've always been up for the challenges to do this.
All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Done! That sounded pretty heavy. Am I done? No, I'm not done. Done. You can slow down, my man. Hey. All right, Cole, so what did we learn about the Switchblade 24 today?
Not only is it a sweet belt, but it knows how to make you really, really hydrated. Just look at me.
It does get you hydrated. Thanks for being here. Guys, we'll see you next time. We'll do best of 3. You ready for this?
Practicing.
Let's do it.